Hey guys, it's your boy Adrian and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over another method that I used to have frequent lucid dreams. So I'm absolutely sure that you have had dreams that make no sense whatsoever to you. I know that I've had dreams that made no sense to me, and after seeing so many strange things in my dreams, I started to think, why am I even having these dreams? And do I really need to spend so much time trying to interpret them? Or is there something that I can do to make use of these dreams that make no sense to me at all? So I started to question these dreams in waking life and in the dream state. It was the act of questioning that allowed me to frequently induce lucid dreams. After implementing this for such a long period of time, I was able to go from one lucid dream per month to multiple lucid dreams per week to multiple lucid dreams per night. And once again, it all started with my dream journal, reviewing it, and asking myself why I was seeing what I was seeing. Dreams that I initially thought had no purpose were now becoming the most potent lucid dreams that I had ever had. So I'll give you some examples. If I was on my street in a dream and I saw a person walking around that was 15 feet tall, I would stop and ask myself, why is this person 15 feet tall? Instantly upon asking myself that question, boom, I go lucid. I'm walking through a grocery store and I point at something on one of the shelves. I notice that my finger extends 10 feet. I ask myself, how is my finger extending 10 feet? And right after I ask myself that question, boom, lucid dream. I propel myself through the air by blowing a huge fart. How did I just fly by letting one rip? I ask myself the question and I'm lucid. Please understand that this did not happen overnight, and it took a long time for me to get good at doing this. So to make it simple for you, this is what I did. First, as always, write your dreams down in some sort of journal for a 1 month to 3 month period. Second thing, during this period of time, whenever you notice that something is not right in waking life, ask yourself about it. Why is this light off? Why does this taste funny? Why does it smell so bad in here? Get into the habit of asking questions. Become inquisitive. Third thing, at the end of that 1 to 3 month period, review your dream journal and start to notice how many crazy things you saw in your dreams. You're going to be amazed at how you weren't questioning these things in the first place. And the fourth thing, remind yourself as you're falling asleep that if you see anything strange, anything that doesn't make sense, or something that just seems out of place, that you will question it. And with the combination of writing all this down in your dream journal, reminding yourself in your waking life to be inquisitive, reviewing your journal, and then reminding yourself before you fall asleep to remain inquisitive, you should be able to induce your first lucid dream. The better you get at this, the more lucid dreams you will have. As I always say, some people may get results instantly and some may take longer to get results. But no matter what, just put the time in and eventually it will work. So what are some of the weird things that you've seen in your dreams? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this video useful and thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell to make sure that we can keep on learning about our dreams together. Also, if there's any videos that you guys want me to make about dreams, please let me know. Until next time, guys, sweet dreams.